Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to Shivaay Academia. Make it your way. I am Shivan Saxena and I welcome you in this Vedic Mathematics series by Shivaay Academia. So in the first three videos, we discovered the faster Vedic Mathematics sutras that help us understand and decode the simpler, faster, and much more easier way to do the different and complex addition sums, right? Now, in this fourth video, we are going to introduce the sutras that are important for faster and quicker subtraction. And in the subsequent videos as well, the techniques will be introduced for faster subtraction. So, without wasting any further time, grab your pen and paper. Wherever you feel that notes are important, please take them down and let's get started. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Ekadhikena Purvena and Parama Mitra method. Now, since you are following the video, you might have known, or if you are someone who is watching this for the first time, please refer to my previous videos to understand Ekadhikena Purvena. Ekadhikena Purvena means one more than the previous one, and Parama Mitra, that is the complementary. So let's explore what this is all about. So the complementary. The complementary of 0 is 10 and vice versa, as 0 plus 10 makes it 10. Complementary of 1 is 9 and vice versa, as 1 plus 9 is 10. Similarly, complementary of 2 is 8, 3 is 7, 4 is 6, and 5 is 5. Now, some of you might have the question, we are going to discover the method for subtraction, the faster subtraction, but why we are talking about this addition part. So soon you will get to understand what this complementary helps and how this complementary helps, what part it will play during the subtraction method. So some basic terms. Minuend. Minuend is the number from which other numbers are subtracted. Subtrand, the number which is subtracted from the minuend, and finally the difference, the result we get after the subtraction part. So let's explore how this Ekadhikena Purvena and Parama method are going to work. Let's understand through the steps first, and then we will move ahead by following the examples and understanding the method. So steps to be followed. First step, check whether any digit in minuend is greater than the subtrahend. Any digit in minuend is greater than subtrahend. Second, if the digit in the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend, then find the complementary of the digit in the subtrahend and add it to the digit in the minuend in the same column. Step 3, place a bar to the preceding digit of the subtrahend. Step 4, adding the bar will increase the digit by 1. And lastly, solve the problem accordingly. So I know the step sounds a bit complicated, but the method is as simpler as we are going to learn through it. So let's learn through the example. Here is the first sum, that is 387 take away 298. How much is going to be the result? So let's follow the Ekadhikena Purvena and Parama Mitra method to see how this calculation can be performed in a quicker way. Now, 7, 387 is our minuend. This is the minuend. And 298, this is the subtrahend. So, as we could see, the digit in the minuend is smaller than the digit in the subtrahend. So complement of subtrend 8 over here is 2. Add this 2 to 7. I write down 9 over here. Adding a bar to 9. This makes it 10. Now, sorry. Now, complement of 10 is 0. So adding 0 with 8 makes it 8. Again, adding a bar at 2. So 3, and now the digit in the minuend and digit in the subtrend are same. So I could directly subtract 3, take away 3. This makes it 0. So our final answer is 89. Okay. All right. Now, this we could have done by normal carrying method, carry forward method. But as we could see over here, learning through bigger examples or bigger numbers, you will get to understand how quicker this method is. So let's see some more examples. Here we have our second example, 343,903, take away 289,799. Let's see. 343,903, take away 289,799. Now, 9 is greater than 3, that is, and also 9 is present in the subtrend. So complementary of 9 is 1. Add 1 with 3, that makes it 4. Put a bar over here. Now this makes it 10. Complementary of 10 is 0. 0 add 0 makes it 0 over here. Coming to the next column, I add a bar. Now it becomes 8. 9 take away 8. Since the minuend is greater than the subtrend, so 9 take away 8 is 1. Coming to the next, 9. Complement of 9 is 1. Add it with 3, so makes it 4. Adding a bar over here, this makes it 9. Complement of 9 is 1. Add it with 4 makes it 5. Adding a bar over here. Now, digit in the minuend and subtrahend is same. So 3 take away 3 is 0. 54,104 is our final answer. Let's learn through one more example. So here we have our another example and much bigger number. 48,869,309 take away 19,359,869. Let's see. So 48,869,309 take away 19,359,869. Following the subtraction. Currently, starting from the rightmost side, 9 take away 9 is 0. Now, 0 is smaller than 6. So complement of 6 is 4 added with 0. Right? 4 over here, add a bar. Now, this becomes 9. Complement of 9 is 1 added with 3 makes it 4. Coming over here, again, complement of 10 is 0 added with 9 makes it 9 itself. Now, digit in the minuend and subtract is same. So 6 take away 6 makes it 0. Moving forward, 8 take away 3 is 5. Now, 8 take away 9, digit in the minuend is smaller than the digit in the subtrend. So complement of 9 is 1 added with 8 makes it 9. Putting a bar over here, 4 take away 2 makes it. So this is our final answer, 29,509,440. So I hope you all learned and enjoyed that method. Do try it out, solve questions, take problems on your end, imagine the problems, and start following it. As you could see, that moving ahead with the Vedic mathematics problems and the sutras, the calculations are becoming much and much more in head. As you could see, I have been trying and solving the problems it with much more faster way and also following the calculations in my head. So that is one more application of the Vedic mathematics sutras, that calculations you try and you start doing in your head itself. Okay. So do try this method out. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, and like, share, and subscribe to Shivaay Academia. Make it your way. I'll meet you guys in the next class. Take care and have a good rest of your day. Jai Hind, Har Har Mahadev.